Stretch here with another video. I just woke up, so reminder voice. I don't know if you can hear the car, so I just started it up. It's 12 degrees today in CT. It is brick. So for today, today's video is gonna be interesting. It's cold, but all this stuff's gonna take place inside of my boy's shop. If y'all in the CT area, man, just hit up my boy Nesmar, okay, Honda Parts Garage, HPG Auto. They'll get you right. So I got new wheels. You know, if y'all follow me, I had the RSX and I had some battles on it. They don't sell MB battles anymore. They're on back order. So it's hard to get some. I finally got some. Got them from the Bronx about a week ago, 2 weeks ago. But they got some tires on them that are fat as hell, bro. So I had to raise the car up like a good 2 inches. So I'm about to go get some 205 40s stretched onto them. And you know, there's 17 by 9.5 plus 15 offset. So that's gonna be a nice stretch. I'm about to stretch that on them. And it's all right, my boy, I'm about to just lower the coilovers on his lift while he's stretching the tires. You know, I'm gonna throw him his breath for me, shout him out. And man, y'all for me, if you're in the CT area, man, check him out, bro. I'll put the address and all the information down on the description box down below. But I'm about to get ready and go to the bank. Then I'm about to go head to my boy's shop. So I'll catch up to y'all. So yeah, man, my boy got back some MB battles. They were bronze underneath it. They painted them white. These bitches are clean. They got no curb rash, just got big ass fucking tires on them, bro. Got the tires in the car. I'm about to go get them stretched and then I'm about to slam this bitch, because this bitch is monster truck. Yeah. Also, I'm about to, because it's winter, I'm just about to plastic dip them a different color for now. But spring comes, I'm about to paint them shits officially. Alright, it is freezing. This heat, it feels so good, but yeah, I had to make a stop. But I'm on my way to my boy's shop right now. Got the tires in the back door. But yeah, I'm gonna catch up with y'all when I get there. We get this shit on the lift. But yeah, got the car over there.
Freeze like that. Everything else. I like that. I'm making care of something like that. I don't know how to use that.
Hours later, wheels, tires are stretched, mounted bounced, and they're on the car. I lowered the car an inch. It looked good to me. I could go way lower. I was gonna leave it like this. Wash the car and shit and then plastic up the wheels. I'll grab the plastic up. I'm gonna show you guys what the fuck it look like after that. But whew, it's brick. You can see my breath inside the shop. Guys, it is dark. It is currently 9 o'clock at night. I just got home. So what happened? I went to New Haven, which is about 50 minutes from where I live. And car broke on me. My idler pulley and my serpentine belt broke. So throwing check engine light and battery light overheating, so I had to fix that on the spot out there. Luckily, Advanced Auto Parts had the part, so I got it fixed and now I'm home. Got the plasti dip. I don't care, I'm bored. my day off. I just want to end the day on a good note. So I'm gonna take the wheels off. I'm taking the wheels off right now. I'm gonna bring them inside in the heat and dip them and then throw them on. And then I'll probably park underneath this light and get a little clip to show you guys what it looks like. But I love the way it looks right now, bro. Like, it looks so good. So let me get over here and take these wheels off. It's cold. It's the car right now. I got the wheels. I got the lug nuts off the wheels, but bro, like the stretch, like it looks so little now, bro. But this wheel is dirty. Went through hell today. I like the fitment. I might go a little bit lower in the front and the rear, but I'll do that another day. It is too cold to be doing all this, so I'm just gonna go inside and dip these wheels. So I'll get back to you. I got the wheels inside, literally. I'm gonna have the fan running and open this. At least it's better than being in the garage. I'm gonna do this. So set up a tripod, probably clean them up for y'all. Bro, I need to see this car in the daylight. Oh my god. It looks so fucking good right now. Oh my god. You guys need to see this shit in the daytime. Like, oh, nice. Nice. This looks so good. Oh my god, it looks so good. Oh, I know it's red as hell. But yeah, man. The car looks so good, bro. Probably just throwing a picture at the end of this tomorrow in the daytime, because that car looks so good. Y'all gotta see it in the daylight. But yeah, man, everything what to do. Smash the like button. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. Turn on the notification bells if you want to see when I upload. But yeah, man, my nose looks like Rudolph. But yeah, it's your boy Vern Fletch, man. We out of here, man. So as promised, I would make a video next day in daylight. They look good as fuck to me. This shit looks so good. And it's only fucking plastic dip, so it can be peeled off, but I fucking like it. Like, I love it. Don't mind my fucked up lip, but damn, that shit's nice, bro. God. Yeah, that's nice.